Asia, an herb called ginseng is famously grown. Naturally, ginseng is not found in its red form, it undergoes a certain process to attain its desired color. Normally, red ginseng is produced by processing the roots of Korean ginseng. However, according to native Asians, a certain process is followed in order to produce a red ginseng. There are different variations of red ginseng, such as but not limited to the following: Korean, Chinese, red panax. One of the best is red panax ginseng. It is manufactured when a panax ginseng is heated by steaming or through a direct exposure to sunlight. Ginseng is best suitable to a climate and soil found in Far East Asia, namely Korea. According to the latest statistics, Korean ginseng is labeled as the most famous ginseng all over the world. Also, the most expensive because of the tedious processes and the time it needs to attain its desired qualities. Although it is known to be expensive, red ginseng is still commonly used by health-conscious individuals because of its numerous health benefits. Here are 5 health benefits of red ginseng. 1. It can strengthen the body's ability to fight infections. Due to the presence of ginsenosides in this type of herb, red ginseng is a powerful health tool in boosting the immune system and energy levels. 2. In general, it aids the increase of fertility, sperm count, motility and sexual performance of men. Thus, red ginseng is one of the health solutions in treating infertility problems of men. Therefore, essential for married couples who want to conceive a child. 3. Most women suffer severe symptoms during their menopausal stage. Red ginseng promotes the production of hormone estrogens that treat hormonal problems and issues during menopause. Further, it can be used to strengthen the uterine muscles, thereby ensuring a good supply of blood in the uterus. 4. For kids and young adults, red ginseng can improve brain function, enhancing mental alertness, concentration levels and retention power. However, it must be used in moderation. 5. For cancer and diabetic patients, red ginseng is also an excellent food supplement. Red ginseng can fight back the growth of cancer cells, killing abnormal cancer cells and sometimes converting abnormal cancer cells into normal cancer cells, which could reduce the risk of a deterioration of various forms of cancer and help to strengthen the body's resistance. For diabetic patients, the frequent use of red ginseng can reduce the level of glucose in the bloodstream and enhance their metabolism. In addition, this herb can control cortisol levels, which are known as an aid in preventing any stress-related issues in blood sugar levels. Beware! Based on the studies conducted, too much usage of this natural herb can also cause health problems. Therefore, when using red ginseng, caution must be measured. Careful dosage amounts and an expert medical consultation must be considered in order to avoid complications.